Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you how to create a QR code for your any purpose. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon, and don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Let's get started. First of all, you have to go to this website, and there you can see many tabs. You can create a QR code for your purpose from choose a one tab. If you are making a QR code for your website, you can create under the URL tab. If you are making a QR code for your name or some text, you can make your QR code under the text tab. And under the other tabs also you can create your QR code. I am making a QR code for my YouTube channel, and go to under the YouTube tab and copy your YouTube channel URL for here and paste, and under there you can see set color. Then from here you can set a color for your QR code. I am using single color for this. This is black color. By clicking create QR code, you can see a preview of your QR code. You can color gradient, custom eye color like this also you can use. See the other step, add logo image. From here also you can pick a image and upload for your QR code like this. And click on create QR code for preview of your QR code. Let's see how to upload the image from your device. Click on upload image. Now here you can upload the image from your device. Now click on create QR code for get a preview like this. Now I don't want this image for my QR code. Then I am clicking remove logo. I want to add logo from here. I am at this logo and click on create QR code. Let's go to bottom. You can set a body shape for your QR code. Let's see a suitable body shape for my QR code. See how to add the eye format shape for your QR code. As previous, you can add the eye format shape also your QR code. Let's see how to add the eyeball shape for your QR code. As previous, you can do this also. Now there you can see QR code templates, then click on it. Now here you can see the popular QR code templates in the world. This is the most popular template. Let's add the one from here. And finally this is your QR code. Now click on download PNG. After that we can see our QR code. Now you can see this is my QR code of my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon, and don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Thank you.